be playing with the Boom Fun with Science kit. It has over 60 different experiments you can do with family and friends. So let's get on to the video. For this, in this boom box, there is different bags for different activities with different ingredients and materials in each. But for this, we are just going to be using the balloon card, the instruction manual, a highlighter, and measuring tape. So let's get started. For the cause of this experiment, we need to blow this up with air and see how far it goes with different amounts of air. So with one blow, it will go, I don't know, how far. So we're gonna do this 3 times and see how far it goes. Prediction time! Do you think the car will go further with more air or less air? Or do you think it's gonna go less far with more air? Oh my. Trial number 1 puff of air. Stopped at 2 feet and 5 inches. Trial number 1, marking. Trial number 2 puffs of air. This one landed at 4 feet and 6.5 inches. Trial number 2, marking. Trial number 3 blows of air. This is going super well. Okay, I think we have to move it back to keep it from the car falling off. Trial number 3, take 3 blows of air. Number 3, take 4, 3 blows. Car number 3, over the edge. At the beginning of this experiment, I asked you to make a prediction. Comment in the comments below. Was your prediction right or wrong? As you can see, the least air, the least it goes. A little more air, more it goes. And the most air, the most it goes. Don't forget to slap that like button, hit the bell for more notifications, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, tell me in the comments below if you liked this video and your prediction and if it was right or wrong.